Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up AMAZFIT Balance 2XT for the first time. So the first thing we need to do is go over and install the Zapp app for our watch. So we can find it on the Google Play and the App Store. So now all that's left to do is go over, go to search, and search for the Zapp. Now after we click search, we ignore the sponsored apps, we go straight to this app right here, click downloads, and as you guys can see, now it's downloading. So I'll see you guys in a second once it downloads completely. Now it's installed, so let's open the app, and here in the app we will need to create an account or log in. So here I will choose the login option, but if you click sign up, all you have to do is enter your email address, enter password, and the verification code right here. Then make sure to agree and then click sign up. Now I'm going to click login, and here I will use a third-party account, which is Google. Here we have the email address and the password, so pretty standard procedure. So I'll choose an account and I'll see you guys once I do everything here. Now we are signed in. Here I'll dismiss this information. We need to go over to device, and here we need to choose a device. But first we need to make sure that our device here is enabled. Select your language, and here you need to scan a QR code. So here we have it. Now let's choose a watch here. Click on got it and allow Zapp to find the watch. Now make sure to allow it to take pictures and record videos, and here I have to aim at the device. As you guys can see, now we need to allow the Zapp to connect to our AMAZFIT. So the way we do that is just allowing access to contacts and call logs, clicking pair, and now it's pairing. Here we need to tap on the check mark on the watch, and it should take less than 10 seconds. So the first thing is we need to choose the text size. Now you guys can adjust it however you want, and as you guys can see, device initialization is complete. We can click next, and here enable notification access so you get notifications on your watch. And here we need to choose the Zapp app. So click allow notification access, click allow, and here we can leave this now, enable Bluetooth calls, and now enabling all contacts, so we can access our contacts from our watch. Here we can enable SMS using voice commands and enable calendar sync. So whatever you create on your phone, it will be synced to your watch. We can click enable, click allow, and weather location. Make sure to select precise here and while using the app. Now we want to enable app background activity permissions, so let's go over to settings, and it's done automatically. Now here we need to select the button position, so we either wear button on the left or right. So of course it's on the right here, so we're gonna choose this one. Depends on how you wear your watch. Now we can click next, and here select the app view, so grid view or list view. From our personal experience, list view is much better because it's much clearer, and on the grid view you need to actually know the icons, but here you can just scroll and find the app that you're interested in. Now we want to set up our Wi-Fi, so we're going to click add network, and here set up the Wi-Fi. So I'll choose this network right here. Let me quickly enter the password. Now it's connected, so we can click got it, and here it's loading. So here we have a tutorial on how to use the watch, and now we can click done. As you guys can see, our device is ready to use. We can click done here, and here we have everything. So now our device is completely set up, and this is how you guys can set it up for the first time. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.